Welcome to weldinghubs.com. Search weldinghubs.com before you decide. Welding Hubs provide top 7 best plasma cutter with built-in compressor. Let's get started with the list. Add number 1 best cheapest plasma cutter with built-in air compressor Lotos LTP5000D. Output voltage 12V-220V. Amperage capacity 40 amps. Dual voltage option 110,220V. Insulation class F. Duty cycle 60%. Add number 2 best Hobart plasma cutter with built-in compressor Hobart 500,565. Output voltage 120-240V. Amperage capacity 40 amps. Dual voltage option 110 volts 220 volts. Insulation class F. Duty cycle 50%. Add number 3 Hypertherm plasma cutter with built-in compressor 088096 power max. Output voltage 120-240V. Amperage capacity 40 amps. Dual voltage option 110 volts 220 volts. Insulation class F. Duty cycle 60%. Add number 4 Hobart 500,564 Air Force 12 psi plasma cutter. Output voltage 120V-240V. Amperage capacity 14-30 amp. Dual voltage option 110 volts 220 volts. Insulation class F. Duty cycle 30%. Add number 5 Mophorn plasma cutter with built-in compressor Mophorn 317,250P. Output voltage 1223V. Amperage capacity 125 amp. Dual voltage option 110-230 volts. Insulation class B. Duty cycle 30%. Add number 6 Thermodynamics drag gun plasma cutter with built-in air. Output voltage 120-220V. Amperage capacity 15 amps. Dual voltage option 110,230V. Insulation class H. Duty cycle 35%. Add number 7 Mophorn 45A plasma cutter with built-in air compressor. Output voltage 120-250V. Amperage capacity 45 amp. Dual voltage option 110,220V. Insulation class F. Duty cycle 60%. Thanks for watching the video. For more information about welding, please visit our website.